Hello everybody. Welcome to visit our Colorido socks printer manufacture factory, located in China, Ningbo, and today just follow me and let me show you around. First, let me introduce you to our manufacturing plant. Here we assemble, wire, commission, and modify our equipment. We provide comprehensive solutions from planning and design to install after-sales support. Our product line covers a variety of printer models for various cylindrical products such as socks, sleeves, and hats. This is our production workshop where the printing of socks is carried out. We will test print the finished socks printer here and only ship them to customers after confirmation. Here you can see a variety of models. In daily use, we continue to discover and improve deficiencies and continuously optimize solutions to provide customers with the most convenient service. During the packaging and delivery process of the sock printer, we use wrapping film to tightly wrap the sock to prevent scratches or friction during handling and transportation. We use thickened wood boards in the outer box packaging to increase the stability of the overall structure. Ensure that the equipment will not be squeezed or hit during transportation. We ensure that every sock printer can be delivered to the customer safely and intact. This is our post-processing workshop. In order to better meet the diverse needs of our customers, we also provide a series of pre-processing and post-processing equipment such as centrifugal dryers and industrial heating furnaces. We provide exclusive solutions for the special requirements of different materials. Whether it is cotton, polyester, nylon, wool, or bamboo fiber, we have corresponding professional processing equipment and technical support. Our sock sample room showcases socks of all styles and materials. From classic to modern, we display a variety of designs, including socks made of pure cotton, polyester, wool, bamboo fiber, and functional fibers. Our sample room not only displays finished products, but also provides personalized design services to help customers customize unique socks that match their brand and market positioning. Thank you very much for learning about the production process of our socks production factory. From the assembly of equipment to the exquisite printing of socks, we are committed to providing customers with the best products and services. Here, we not only display sock samples of various materials and designs, but also provide customers with personalized customization services to help the unique development of the brand. We will continue to work hard, innovate technology, and optimize processes to meet your expectations for high-quality products. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you.